What's up guys, I'm all suited up. This is my first time wearing a full wetsuit. It looks pretty funny honestly. I'll try to get like a full body shot, but it's about 6:30 a.m. The sun just came up and we're gonna go diving right now. This is gonna be the first real dive session I've ever done. I've gone 3-prong, really short, shallow water and not had any luck, but this time we're gonna go deep and hopefully we can do a really awesome catch and cook. So I'll keep you guys updated.
I cleaned it mean while we were in the water so all the poop and stuff doesn't get in the meat. What I'm gonna do is cut around the ribs right in here and just fillet this. And then when you steam it or fry it, the thing comes out mean. So it'll take away most of that lima taste. So the best way to do it, come around the fin and like the spine over here.
Yeah.
But you gotta watch out so you don't get pricked. Because look, this thing comes up, it has all pricks right in here. See all these pricks? These actually have daggers too. That's why I cut out the daggers while I was in the water.
Oh, okay.
Because the thing I shot a big one and the thing wasn't dead. And it freaking sliced me right in the daggered me right in the back of my leg. I feel like I was bleeding out. For real, dude. Yeah, but once you come around this edge and you kind of get the line up, you can see like the meat coming off the bone right in here. You see it coming off. Put a cut in here. Right in here. You can just really flip this back up and then come along the spine. Right in here, you see all the meat coming off. You can actually eat this as sashimi. But what my grandma likes to do is get a spoon and scrape this all out and make a turkey with it.
Is it good?
It's got that lima taste like the Ninuis, you know? Me personally, I'm not too much of a fan of poke. I like poke bowls and stuff, but that's about it.
You like ahi better?
Yeah, ahi's way better. Did you see how many there were out there? I like to go for the fish that are hard to get. But yeah, that's a pretty nice fillet.
That looks white. It's like a white meat.
Yeah. It has a lima taste, but not as bad as the kalas. The kalas, yeah. Because the way you cook it on the grill is you don't clean it. So this is already clean. Like, see, look at all this meat right in here.
And we bled it too, so it's kind of like...
Nah, it doesn't really matter if you bleed this one.
Really?
Yeah. It just bled a little bit. You see all this? It's sashimi right here. Eat that.
Really?
Yeah. A little bit of limu taste, bro. Not as bad as the other fish you were probably eating.
It's not
Tastes
bad.
the limu, right? It's not that bad, right?
A little
when
bit.
you steam it and you fry it, that taste kind of disappears.
It's honestly not that bad, actually. I've had way like fishier tasting fish. Like disgustingly fishy. Alright, so we're about to start cooking. We have Palani, which is the yellow striped surgeonfish, and then green onions, regular onions, olive oil, and then we have some other things we're gonna add on. Wrap it up in the tin foil and throw it in the fire. And then we're also gonna cook some fillets, just like pan fry them, and then I'm gonna grill some pineapples. So it's all gonna turn out pretty good. I'm excited to see what happens.
about to break. About to bust.
Yeah, I think that'll be more than enough, just that one half.
Yep, that's crazy.
Some olive oil. Just give it a little bit generous coat. Some seasoning. Never had oyster sauce before. Generous.
Yeah, bro, things are, because it's all gonna freaking, you like it to be glazed over here.
Yeah, for sure. And the onions. Yeah. This looks good. Green onions, a lot of water in them. Yeah. We'll see about that. Want to grab another piece? Yeah. Grab another piece and we'll just. So these are the fillets, right? And we're gonna put it on the oil. We set up a little grill. We put this there, and then we're gonna kind of turn it to make sure every side gets cooked. But that oil is getting pretty hot. You can see a couple bubbles coming to the top. So let's season this. I guess just put a really heavy coat of it. What's up, guys? So I really apologize for the sniffling and it sounds like I'm super congested, but all it is the smoke from the fire has been blowing into my face. And if you've ever had like smoke from a campfire blow into your face, you know, like you start to tear and your eyes start to burn and you start to like sniffle a little bit. That's exactly what's happening. So I don't have a cold, it's just the fire. Forgot to record the initial part of putting the fish in the oil, but I got kind of like midway through putting the fish in. And we have the tin foil kind of sitting there. We're gonna rotate it in, and then soon we're gonna flip the fish because it's hot. That oil is hot, so it's gonna cook soon. And then for the dessert, we're getting the pineapple, and I'm gonna cut this up, put some seasoning on it, and grill it. And that's the best way. I love cooking pineapple that way. It makes it so much sweeter, and I don't think there's any better way of doing it.
Roger that.
So,
about to flip these fillets. Things cooking pretty fast.
Yeah, boy. You want to grab this fish?
Grab it.
Is it hot?
No, it's just.
Yeah, bro, that's just getting me all over. I can't even see.
Not even recording.
Okay.
Like freaking water.
Smells good. Give it a quick flip, let the other side cook. So I think it's time to cut up this pineapple and throw it on the grill with it. I have tears in my eyes because of all the smoke. We use some wet wood, so it's like very smoky. But I'm excited, man. It's gonna taste good. I'm
ready
hungry
to
too.
cut this pineapple, man.
I'm ready to cut the pineapple, and I haven't eaten all day. We went diving in the morning. I woke up at 4:30. I haven't eaten anything yet, so I'm hungry, man. I'm hungry.
Tell us about how you shot these fish, bro.
So I didn't shoot these fish, you shot these fish, but I recorded the whole thing. And so if I didn't record it, it wouldn't have happened, it wouldn't have been real. So I really did all the work, but you did shoot the fish. And hopefully next time we can get out and really get some, you know, better quality fish. But really it's in the preparation, and we're making this, we're putting our hearts into this, and it's gonna come out good. So it's just how much you put into it is how much you get out of it.
Roger that.
And I think we should also flip it.
Yeah, turn it over when you put it up there.
Ah, nice.
Cherry. sweat.
Okay, so I've got the whole pineapple. I've honestly not cut too many pineapples in my life, but yeah, usually get that top off. Oh, yo, this is ripe. And then try to cut it as thin as possible so you don't lose any meat. Kind of like a fillet.
Oh,
You could all
how's this
cut all
pineapple,
these.
bro?
It's probably really good. Is it good?
That thing is right.
Okay, so
juicy.
is it?
Just take a bite with this. Take a bite of this, bro. You don't even need to season it. That thing is juicy.
Holy shit.
That thing is juicy, bro. Bro, it's the best pineapple I had in my life.
Yo, this is amazing.
That fire is kicking.
It's already like 80 something degrees.
I know, bro.
And the fire makes it like 100 degrees.
Struggling right now.
I am struggling because it is hot. Whoa.
Oh, oh, oh! There you go. Oh! There you go. There you go. Bring that money on the plate.
Oh, that was a struggle and a half. It's like an unboxing.
See what she's got.
Make sure you can.
How's she looking? How's she looking? Oh yeah, she's done. Move some of that onion out the way.
Oh yeah, look at that fish. Whoa, yo, look at that.
Yeah, she's done.
Look at that chunk of meat right there. That's nice. That is nice. Is it good?
Bro, the fish is better than the steamed.
Look at that piece off.
Yeah. Oh, you got the skin.
Yeah, there you go. Alright. Way better than I expected.
Fucking mahi, bro. Huh. Tastes just like mahi.
Way better than I expected.
Oh yeah.
I thought, because I've had trashy fish before. Like, I've had fish that like
Was it freaking dumpster fish?
Ooh, yeah, nasty. I'll take the smaller one. Nice piece of fish.
Take the other small one too, bro.
Okay.
Down right there.
Yeah.
There you go.
And then. Oh shit. Some grilled pineapple on the plate, and then that's a nice chunk of meat too. I want to get some of these onions.
Bro, take a lot.
I'll get 2 plates, but this is what we're working with.
Straight out of the restaurant.
Straight out of the restaurant. as I got sweat and tears and snot all over my face from this fire. This is gonna be really good. Put your heart into this freaking. Put my heart into this, man. Blood, sweat, and tears. 4:30 a.m. to now. Putting work into this. It's gonna be good though. I'm excited. So you decided to put rice on yours. I didn't want any rice on mine, but this looks gourmet. It actually looks like something you'd buy in a restaurant.
Bro, from the west side, you cannot forget the rice, bro.
West
from
side.
Hawaii.
West side Hawaii. You can't forget the rice.
Come on. Rice is life. Dumbass. Onions taste amazing.
Do they? I haven't tried them yet.
Hell yeah.
Flaky. This is the definition of flaky, actually. Really good. Mix of white. What the fuck? Mix of white and spring onions. Yeah, that is exactly really good. The onions is really good. Ooh. I've never cooked spring onions before.
Bro.
I've only had them like raw on top of, you know, or like on top of fish or on top of salad or something. Never cooked.
Tastes better cooked.
This is really good. Alright, ready? So let me explain the dish, even though I probably have already done it several times. It's the Hawaiian name for the fish as well.
Palani.
Palani. It's yellow striped surgeonfish, yeah. So this is just pan fried. This was wrapped in foil with this these white onions and green onions and kind of like baked. Yeah, I guess baked in foil. And the onions and the green onions like melted down, they caramelized. They're really good. And then we have the grilled pineapple and fresh pineapple. Alright guys, so we're done. We're packed up now, we're leaving. Put the fire out, it's just a little bit of smoke. And we cleaned up our camp. We made sure that we took everything that we brought in because we don't want to litter and it's just not good, you know? So we took all of our trash out and even some of the trash that was already here that people left. So we brought that all out in a white giant garbage bag that you'll see when we get to the end of the trail. And we're done, so I'll give you a quick outro once I get to the end of this trail. So I never actually got to recording an outro, but this is going to be my outro. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be wanting to make way more catch and cooks in general, but spearfishing videos are awesome. So thank you for watching. Check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.